Hey everybody, finally got around to finishing or almost finishing the restoration on another Pioneer CT-F1250. The only thing left now is I'm waiting for the real motor to start acting up, which I know it's going to do. Other than that, it's finished. Maybe I'm just putting off pulling that motor out because I don't really like restoring them, but I've done many of them and had good success. And if you're looking at buying one of these on eBay not working, plan on having to take this motor apart, which is not easy. I think this one here was replaced before because the date on it's October of 1987. And this deck is from 1980, so looks like the motor was replaced once. Wires have been soldered onto the terminals instead of wire wound like they were originally. This deck here is in remarkable cosmetic condition. So now I have two of these. And I do have the rack handles for this one too. So these are really good decks when they're working right, but after 40 years, I mean, or 45 years almost, you're going to have to do some work to them. So if you think you're going to get one off eBay and just replace a belt, usually for the capstan, which I had to do on this one, chances are you're going to have to rebuild this motor right here. What will happen is you'll press play, and after about 3 seconds it'll stop turning the take-up reel, and the automatic stop will shut it off, so you won't damage your tapes, but it will spill some tape out on the right side here about 3 seconds before it shuts off. So if you have a deck like this and it's doing that, that motor right there is going to be the problem. And it's not a matter of if it has to be rebuilt, but when. Now this one's been playing great so far, but I know from experience that this motor is going to start acting up. So I'm just kind of letting it play. What I should do is just pull the motor out and restore it and put it back in and be done with it, but I'm going to wait. I've got a lot going on around here. We got our Tesla bench tape playing, and it sounds really good. Anyway, that's kind of what I've been up to. So if you have one of these, they are great decks when they're working right. And we've got everything working on here. So, very nice deck. And I guess I'm going to have two of these in my collection now. Anyway, y'all have a good day and Merry Christmas. And we'll see you later.